After 2 days on the stand, Thabo Mbeki confronted bluntly with bribery and corruption allegations. A lawyer representing 3 arms deal critics tried to put Mbeki on the spot.
The BAE has admitted that they've paid commissions, and we can call it commissions, but clearly that's not allowed. Let's call it what it is, bribes, in connection with this transaction. What do you say about this?
Chair, I've listened with interest to the long preamble to the question, but I do not see what the relevance of it to the particular witness is, particularly when there's no indication as to who paid bribes or commissions to whom.
Certainly, from the position of our government, then, we're very interested that these allegations that we made need to be dealt with. And the only way you can deal with them is that the people who make the allegations, presumably because they've got the facts, that they must produce the facts. Then it becomes possible to act on this thing. Commissions paid, yes indeed, commissions might very well have been paid by BAE systems. Did they corrupt? Were they passed on as bribes? Maybe the US system found that this had happened, maybe. But I'm saying the mere fact of paying a commission to somebody who's commissioned to go into whatever is not a bribe to that person. It becomes a bribe when the person who's a decision maker is then bought in order to take particular decisions.
Earlier, lawyers for human rights submitted that the acquisition of arms was irrational, high risk, and didn't get Parliament's approval.
Why did the committee decide that the high risk or high degree of risk is something that they are willing to accept?
Yeah, obviously because the government thought it could manage the risk.
The commission also heard how the country could have saved about $400 million had it opted for the Italian hawks. The BAE deal is being disputed. It's alleged bribes were paid through middlemen who in turn influenced politicians in the selection of preferred bidders. Ending his testimony, Mbeki also testified that the late former President Nelson Mandela was aware of the acquisition of armaments. He says decisions taken by the Inter-Ministerial Committee and Cabinet were also Mandela's decision. The second phase of the commission will start on Monday. It will see people who've been implicated and whistleblowers come through to testify. Njanji Chauke, SABC News, Pretoria.